Dear participant of the Gamification for Development Massive Open Online course, good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening. I am Alessia Messuti from the International Training Center of the International Labour Organization, one of the conveners of this MOOC, jointly delivered with the GIZ, UNITAR, Sinter4, and the contribution of other valuable experts. This welcome screencast has the purpose to orient yourself in the massiveness of this experience, which for some of you is the first time, while some others have already participated in other MOOCs before. Since you are registered in the course environment, you should have received all the course information needed to participate. If you still have some doubt or question, please refer to the course flyer that is stored on the top screen of this course page. Of course, I'm not alone in this MOOC, and if you also click on the Team tab that is placed in the same section of your screen, you will see all the profiles of all the other colleagues who are going to support this learning experience in terms of sharing interesting resources, but also in terms of providing assistance when technical issues might arise. So, if you have technical issues, if you have any question or concern, please do also refer to the IT requirement list that is located in the same section, which provide you with a detailed list of technical requirements needed to attend the course. If you do not solve your issue here, you can also find a way to contact us through the technical forum that is placed on the right side of your screen. You can also use the email, the support ecampus@itcilo.org, which some of you have already used to contact us and communicate earlier before this MOOC was starting. Generally speaking, this is what we call an action-oriented MOOC, which basically means that the more you participate, the more you will be able to get out of this course. This is just the welcome week, but from next week onwards, we will open the first substantial module, which is an introduction to gamification. And after this week, all the other weeks will have a new module which will build upon the previous one. So the whole idea is that you, week by week, come together with your institution, your colleagues or your peers, and start thinking about what would be the added value of gamification within your working context. Could you come up with a gamification strategy or product? We will start with gamification, what, who, when, and why. We will try to understand game elements, understand user perspective, building together gamification strategies, monitoring gamification, and finally come up with a gamification for development strategy. The ones who manage to achieve this last step and to create their own project will be at the end invited to submit this proposal into our large MOOC database. And there is also one incentive. The best proposal will be published on the ITCLO gamification website, which is www.gamification.itclo.org, in order to further promote this proposal within the network of developing agencies. For the time being, it's important that you are here, that you try to participate as actively as possible. Start with this introduction and welcome forum. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. And on behalf of the whole Game4Dev MOOC team, I wish you an interactive and interesting learning experience. Bye-bye!